Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So recently on the HubSpot community page, I came across this cloud which was asked wherein HubSpot user they wanted to share their HTML version of the email which they've created with a third party agency because they were collaborating over something and the agency needed the HTML version of their emails. Now, out of the box, there is no way for HubSpot to give you the HTML version of the email marketing pipe, but there's a small work around it, and that's what I'm going to show you in this particular video. So here, if we come into all of our emails, I'll just open this particular email and make sure that email which you have is is currently being drafted because once you take email live, it would then be a bit tricky to get the HTML version for it. So when it's in the draft mode, just open that email. And what you need to do is click on this preview and test CTA. And at the bottom, you'll see copy shareable link. Just click on it. Now that it's copied, open a new tab on your browser. Just paste this. And if you see, this particular email is populated over here. Now, all you need to do is do right click on save as, and over here, you will get to select a format of how you want to download it. So you can click on web page HTML only and click on save. And that is it. If you see, it has downloaded the .html version of this particular file, and you can now share this with anyone who requests for it. So that's how you do it. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you.